What's up, ladies, gentlemen? Welcome back to another video. This is actually a review on the radio system that I installed in my car over 3 years ago. And I know, the late post and mixing new posts in between my uploads is really not doing really good for my channel. But I gotta do something. All right, bro. Coming on the inside, y'all see it already. I got it installed. Like I said, this video is not gonna be crazy informative or nothing like that. I just wanna show y'all how it's still working, bro. That's my radar detector.
Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it was Venice.
Alright, so look. This is all the save stations on here. So if you want to know what the layout looks like, let me turn that down. If you want to know what the layout looks like, this is what the layout looks like. This is the menu button. This the menu right here. Okay, got a next button, another next button. Let me show y'all what everything's included. So you got a now playing. Right, so if you was doing Bluetooth, if you press now playing, it'll show you the Bluetooth icon. If you was using AFM or AM radio, if you press now playing, it will show either one of those that's playing at the moment. You got navigation. This car got navigation. They also sell this unit without having navigation, so I really don't know how it looks like if you don't have navigation. Man, shut up, man. Come on now. Dang. Hacks, bro, hacks. All right, so here's your phone. If you ever want to hook up to your phone, I never use that thing, I ain't gonna lie to you. Only time I use my phone on here is if somebody called me, for real. You still got XM radio, okay, the old school. You got AM radio, you got FM, you got Pandora, and you got Stitcher. I'm not using either one of those. Come on to the second page. 2 out of 3. Come on. USB, you got the aux, you got Bluetooth, you got tone. You can, do your EQ, your bass, your treble. Let me show you the layout. See, you got bass. They actually got some presets for you already, so you can actually, if you want more bass, you can just preset this thing, crank the bass all the way up if you want to. I got the Boston audio. You can do your mid, treble. I keep my treble up. I really don't use too much bass. It kind of distorts it a little bit, So the stereo in here, it was good back in its day. Like I said, got the Boston. I came from an SUV that had Bose, so the Bose was way better. But they also had more speakers and everything. I don't think there's no subs in this car, so let's go back. So you got configuration. This is actually your settings, like to change your time and date and all that jazz. Then you got destination. This is also a navigation thing. Then you got weather on here. I usually don't use that, and I think you need a subscription to use it. And you got the movies icon. Again, I don't know about the movies icon. Actually, I don't think I ever pressed it. So you need an XM subscription for that. And let's go to, you got fuel, you got quick info, and you got pictures. I don't even know what pictures is. What is that? Picture view, no picture view compatible. Yeah, okay. You got quick info. I never really used that before, but it's some stuff that you can play around in here. You got fuel. I think you need your XM radio subscription. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it, man. Here go the navigation right here. Tap that. But yeah, here it is right here. As you can see, it scrubs really. It scrubs so bad, bro. But look, to get the OEM look, you have to get it like this, though. There ain't no way around it. It ain't no way around it, unless you get aftermarket. See, but when you start going, it actually does pretty good. And if you got heads-up display, like me, when you put this radio in, when it tells you to make a turn or go around a curve, they will put that information on your heads-up display where you ain't even gotta look at the radio. And it also shows you there's a bar, it's like a progress bar, and that's when you get close to your turn, the progress bar fills up, and then it'll tell you to turn, which is pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. That's pretty much it. That's all there is to it. It ain't really nothing else to really go over. There's some more stuff I can probably show y'all, actually, for it to be in play of it doing that. But overall, this is actually pretty nice, and this is good enough for me. If I feel like I want to upgrade, I will, but I don't think I'll upgrade anytime soon. This looked factory, and I like it like this, and it looks like it belongs in its car, you see? And at night, the bezels, let me turn on the lights. At night, You see you got the red accent around the rings, around here, and it matches the gauges down there. You know, it's just pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yep, pretty cool. So that about sums it up. Thank y'all for watching the video. If you want to know how I install this video, go check out my install video. I made that video 3 years ago, so it's boring as heck. But you will learn. You will still learn how to install this inside your car. Kid you not. Show me some love, guys. Thank y'all for watching my video. I'll catch y'all in the next one.